The services and supports, as well as the design of the whole project, has been informed by elders, by people with living experience of unsheltered homelessness and traditional Indigenous values.
An innovative housing development called the Village Project is a complex of tiny houses planned to be built here on this vacant land behind the Thunderbird House to shelter homeless people in Winnipeg's downtown area. The project includes a 22-unit housing development made from recycled shipping containers, and the homes would be approximately 200 square feet. There's also a communal lodge integrated into the site where people access on-site services and supports. Lizzie Rappaport, manager of housing supply with End Homelessness Winnipeg, says they've been working with multiple Indigenous partners on this project for the past 8 months.
It's being led by Mama Wichita Center, and we also have an elders circle and also engage with people living in encampments on what they want for housing, what they need, and the village has been designed to meet their needs. And
Homelessness Winnipeg has predicted that Winnipeg needs 1,340 new units of housing over the next 4 years. 22 units, Rappaport says, is just the beginning.
This winter and COVID-19 have really accelerated the need to move really quickly on building this housing. People have no ability to self-isolate, to wash their hands. It's really accelerated the crisis of homelessness that we've been dealing with for some time now.
I'm 100% supportive of their call for an urban, rural, and Indigenous rapid housing initiative call.
City Councillor Sherry Rowland says this initiative is a step in the right direction. Over the past 2 weeks, she has called for immediate investments in social housing, frontline community-based organizations, and low-barrier safe spaces.
Other governments need to step up too, and End Homelessness Winnipeg is doing a really important job lending voice on the crisis and what is happening in Winnipeg, specifically with respect to encampments, but specifically targeting the money that we need, the investments we need, and the urban Indigenous investments into housing that we need.
With the recent cold weather and an explosion at a homeless camp leaving one person dead on Tuesday, Rappaport says there needs to be change. She hopes this model is an example other communities across the country can look at for reference.
We're really hopeful it's going to be a successful project and hopefully the first of many more here in Winnipeg and potentially across Canada as well.
Construction on the Village Project could begin as early as March. In Winnipeg, Alex Carpa, City News.